Over here. This one's for you, girl. You said catfish? Are you ready for the fist, bitch? No?
Who?
You.
You know I'm there about shit like that.
Damn.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one that I can give my all to. Tell me if it's you. What you wanna do? Make a move. You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more work. What you wanna do?
Who sent you is what I want to know. Huh?
Why do you leave your mouth open in every picture? Who told you that shit was cute?
My mouth is open in every picture?
Yeah, all those stupid videos you be doing. Do you leave your mouth open?
I don't know. Love, we know I have a problem closing my mouth. I come from severe teeth issues.
My nigga, that shit is not fucking cute.
I come from severe teeth issues.
All that when you leave your mouth open like that, all you make it seem like you got like 160 your fucking mouth.
160 to my mouth?
That's what I would make it seem like your mouth full of teeth.
We know I used to have severe teeth problems. Now I'm gonna be cautious about that shit. Ati ya dang, umekufa. I'm such an idiot. I may have gone a little overboard with the spray.
What'd you do, nigga?
I sprayed too much and it got in my eye. It's because my skin is dry and I don't want it to be dry throughout the night. Let me go ahead and be blending before I look stupid when it dries. Lady in a glass dress, I can see right through you. This, but I know that you do. And you broke your heart, girl. So you never love again. You don't love this type, girl. You know in the end you still breathe. Fucking with an R&B thug, you gonna have the greatest sex.
Bro, stop. Stop singing.
Okay, one more. Oh, just like that. Do your body like a little freak. Have a little fiesta, somebody's. Okay, I'm done now. God, please don't punish me for the sins I've committed today. Should I do a bright lip or something calm?
Calm.
Well, you're the enemy of progress, but I guess I'll do calm. Over here. This one's for you, girl. You said catfish?
There's nothing I will do.